Hi, hi,
Good morning to you all. I'm Jenish Baiju from grade 9A to stand in front of you for a short presentation in the topic of careers of the future. Nowadays, every teenager has the thinking that as soon as they pass out from grade 12, they will be going to other countries to just watch disease and rituals. But we are better than that. We have the ability to motivate ourselves and motivate ourselves and achieve our goal, which makes us better than anyone else. In the coming future, we all can have a successful career in our field rather than washing dishes and doing chores. The career of the future will be shaped by the advancement in technology and preservation. Seeing the growth of technology in our present time and our ability to control technology and artificial, we are sure that technology can be a good career option. As the amount of waste is increasing day by day, it has been crucial for us to maintain our environment. That's why environmental experts will be needed to advise on sustainability practices, waste reduction, and eco-friendly technology. With an aging population and technology innovation in medical demand for healthcare workers, especially in telemedicine, personalized healthcare, and mental health will grow. The future will advance in genetic engineering, drug development, and healthcare tech will create new roles on research. As AI takes over humans' routine work, humans will need to focus more on creative and innovative work. Careers on design, marketing, media, and entertainment will definitely see growth. To prepare for this future careers, an individual must invest his time on learning new technologies, environmental awareness, and healthcare advancement, and also communication skills. Thank you and have a nice day.